you got it? You got it? Hold it up.
Boo! We don't get to do it.
Can't hold it like that. Don't hold it there. That's the thing that keeps it flying.
I want a chance.
Okay. Here, Justin first. Let's see.
How?
Push that all the way up. That one all the way up. And it's on top of the house.
That sucks.
That's the reason why I don't want you guys to play with it.
Yeah, it is up there.
I can't get up there.
You have a ladder?
I don't have a ladder.
Susie, stop.
Let's see.
See if you can make it fly, Robbie.
I'm gonna try. Justin, you're here.
It's an antenna.
I was gonna say stand on the deck.
Ooh, that just caved
Get
in.
the paramedics! Get the paramedics! Oh! Oh, I'm stupid. I was trying to make it land right there.
That wasn't a good place to let it land, Justin.
Daddy, be careful!
There it goes. Here it comes.
Yeah! I get it! I get it! Go!
Maybe you should do it in the street and away from the house.
I was doing just fine.
My turn! Don't get it on the house. I know.
Hold on, I'll let Justin try one more time. Put it in the street.
Come out here, Justin.
Yeah, it's like this is trim left and right. I gotta figure it out because when you go up, it automatically wants to turn.
That is Justin's turn.
It is. Trying to run out of battery.
Ready?
The last 8 minutes, and then it only takes 30 minutes to charge it.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, pick it up, flip it over.
Excuse me.
Justin's turn.
See all the mama sons that they had clean the house
yeah.
today? Robbie, you see all the mama sons they had clean the house today?
Yeah. All right, give it to Emily. Let her try. You gotta kind of follow it. Put it down.
That was awesome.
Step away from it, Emily, so you don't get hit in the face.
And you gotta follow it wherever it goes, otherwise it gets out of the radio's range. See how I gotta set the trim?
Yeah.
That little thing is cool. Well, stop hitting the throttle. You don't want to control it.
Hurry up, that truck's gonna be coming here in a minute.
Let's go right for it.
Did it? I haven't missed it. Couldn't see it.
That's why she screamed. Don't hit that car!
Get out of the way!
Come down here again. You see how she's following it, Justin?
No.
Careful with it. You got to be gentle. It's not
Oh, you
strong.
look at that.
Okay, put
Your
it back
dirty
down.
face.
He's coming over here.
Look out. Come over here, Justin. Okay, go ahead.
Wish I had one of these when I was a kid. All right, Emily, give it back to Justin. Cold?
No.
All the way up.
It hit my nail. I gotta get it.
Push the throttle all the way up.
Should have got her a Little Miss Bossy book.
No kidding. Emily, I'll let you know when it's your turn. It makes me want to buy a real one.
No.
They're only like $800.
Yeah, no.
Don't you tell me no.
I just did.
Negative. I'm buying one now. Come over here. Come closer.
Hurry up, because I'm going in. It's cold.
Yep. It's almost done anyway, so I'll stick it on the charger.
My turn.
No, Emily.
Alright.
It's his toy.
People.
You got a pretty long chance. It should just stay there the whole time. It goes way too high when it's fully charged. I cannot believe that thing went straight to the roof.
His first try, straight to the
tracks. Alright, go pick it up and then we'll bring it inside and charge it some more.
Oh, she almost ate it.
Alright. No,
Come on.
Don't fly it again. We gotta go.
It's cold.
Oh, I'm gonna charge it again so it'll fly high. Emily,
people!
I
Ow, that's hurt my
Tell
said no.
your
It'll
dad
only
thank
take
you.
30 minutes and it'll be recharged and we can fly it again.
Justin,
First,
say thanks.
thanks, people, for watching this.
How about thanks for Dad for buying it?
Thanks for Dad for buying this too. It's awesome. Thank you.